أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ويل للمطففين الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون. ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون ليوم عظيم يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين. كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين وما أدراك ما سجين كتاب مرقوم. ويل يومئذ للمكذبين الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم. إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين. كلا بل ران على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون. كلا إنهم عن ربهم يومئذ لمحجوبون. ثم إنهم لصالو الجحيم. ثم يقال هذا الذي كنتم به تكذبون. كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين وما أدراك ما عليون كتاب مرقوم يشهده المقربون. إن الأبرار لفي نعيم على الأرائك ينظرون تعرف في وجوههم نضرة النعيم يسقون من رحيق مختوم ختامه مسك وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون. ومزاجه من تسنيم عينا يشرب بها المقربون. إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين. وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين.
Woe to those who give less than do, who, when they take a measure from people, take in full. But if they give by measure or by weight to them, they cause loss. Do they not think that they will be resurrected on a great day? The day when mankind will stand before the Lord of the worlds? No. Indeed, the record of the wicked is in Sijin. And what can make you know what is Sijin? A register inscribed. Woe, that day, to the deniers who deny the day of recompense. And none deny it except every sinful transgressor. When our verses are recited to him, he says, legends of the former peoples. No. Rather, the stain has covered their hearts of that which they were earning. No. Indeed, from their Lord, that day, they will be partitioned. Further, they will enter the fire of hell. Then it will be said to them, this is what you used to deny. No. Indeed, the record of the righteous is in Elian. And what can make you know what is Elian? A register inscribed, to which bear witness those nearest to Allah. Indeed, the righteous will be in pleasure, on adorned couches, observing. You will recognize in their faces the radiance of pleasure. They will be given to drink of pure sealed wine. The last of it is musk. So for this let the competitors compete. And its mixture is of tasneem, a spring whereof drink those nearest to Allah. Those in sin used to laugh at those who believed, and when they passed by them, they would exchange derisive glances. And when they returned to their people, they would return jesting. And when they saw them, they would say, Indeed, those are truly lost. But they had not been sent as guardians over them. So today those who believed are laughing at the disbelievers on adorned couches, observing.
وَإِذَا قُرِئَ الْقُرْآنُ فَاسْتَمِعُوا لَهُ وَأَنصِتُوا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ.
When the Quran is read, listen to it with attention and hold your peace, that ye may receive mercy.